This Abestorm dehumidifier conveniently removes up to 180 pints per day in areas where excess humidity is a problem. This commercial dehumidifier has a robust housing, a sheet metal handlebar, intelligent control panel, tubing and cord rack, and powerful internal pump for consistent maximum performance water damage restoration. Effort-saving wheels. Easy to store and transport, the commercial dehumidifier Hurricane 850 can come to the rescue where leaks or spills leave moisture behind. Ideal for water damage restoration projects.